Very good morning, students. I am L.K. Tripathi, assistant teacher from LPM Public School. Dear students, we shall start the new chapter of geography, that is chapter 5. Topic is realm of the earth. What are the realm of the earth? What is earth? What is the importance of this planet? All such types of facts are there which we shall study through this video. Let's get started. First of all, we shall read this point. Some talking points. What are the talking points? The Earth's atmosphere has four main layers. Which order are they in form closest to the Earth to farthest away? Identify from the list below which layer do you live in. No doubt, many times you have studied about the layers of the atmosphere. It has four layers. They are existing in different forms and in different layers. From closest to the farthest layers we shall study now. Some glimpses are there. Let's see. That is the layers of the atmosphere. So first of all, we shall see the stratosphere, troposphere, exosphere, mesosphere. These are the layers. Introduction. The earth is made up of three components: land, air and water. These three major components of the earth. These components are interdependent and sustain life on the earth. Together, these three merge to make the biosphere or the zone of life. These three components merge here in the atmosphere to make the biosphere or the zone of life. The term rim means sphere or an area of specific dimensions. This is the real meaning of rim. rim का मतलब होता है जो स्फीयर है, ये एक एरिया का जो एक स्पेसिफाइड पर्टिकुलर जो एरिया है उसके डायमेंशंस को जो है उसके आयाम क्या क्या हैं उसको जो है क्लैरिफाई करता है. द फोर मेन रियल्म ऑफ द अर्थ, द लिथोस्फीयर, हाइड्रोस्फीयर, एटमॉस्फेयर and biosphere. These four things are the realm of the life, that is the dimension of the life. In absence of any one of these four, life cannot be possible here. First of all, we shall see lithosphere, first layer of the earth. The outermost solid layer of the earth is called the lithosphere. It is also called the crust of the earth. इसे क्रस्ट ऑफ द अर्थ भी कहते हैं, जो अपर लेयर ऑफ द अर्थ कही जाती है. This stream consists of the large land masses of the continents and the huge water bodies called the ocean. It is here that we find mountains, plateaus, and plains. On this sphere or layer, all such types of things are found. We also find life, plants, animals, and humans. It has a soil layer that allows plants to grow. Resources like oil, gas, and minerals are also found here. Means collectively we can say all such types of things are available on this sphere, that is lithosphere. The lithosphere consists of two types of crust. What are the two types of the crust? Number one, continental and oceanic. The continental crust runs below the continents. This is the continental crust, which runs below the continents. It is the upper crust and is also called soil. The upper crust of the continental crust, which runs below the continent, is known as soil. That is made of silica and alumina. Its thickness varies between 40 and 100 किलोमीटर. इसकी मोटाई इतनी ज़्यादा है 40 एंड 100 किलोमीटर. इसको हम साइल कहते हैं और ये सिलिका और एल्यूमिना से बना हुआ. इट इज़ थिकर अंडर द माउंटेन्स. जब माउंटेन के अंदर जाते हैं तो ये और भी थिकर होता चला जाता है और भी मोटाई इसकी बढ़ती जाती है. द ओशियनिक क्रस्ट इज द लोअर क्रस्ट and is found below the oceans as well as under the soil. Number second crust is that. Number first we have seen the continental crust. This is oceanic crust and this is found below the ocean. सागर के नीचे मिलता है. As well as under the soil. It is also called sima as it is made up of silica and magnesium. It is much thinner with an average thickness of just 6 kilometers. The level of seawater remains the same everywhere. For example, 3,200 meters above sea level means that the elevation of land is measured from the level of the sea, which is taken as 0. किसी भी एरिया की जो हाइट होती है वो मेज़र हम करते हैं कहाँ से? सी लेवल से. समुद्र की गहराई वहाँ कितनी है वहाँ से हम जो है मेज़र करते हैं. जो प्लेन लैंड है, लिथोस्फीयरिक जो लैंड है, कॉन्टिनेंटल लैंड है, उसकी हम ऊंचाई समुद्र तल की गहराई से करते हैं. कॉन्टिनेंट्स. व्हाट आर कॉन्टिनेंट्स? Formation of the continents. How has the continent formed? Continents make up the landmass of the lithosphere. ये कॉन्टिनेंट लिथोस्फीयर के लैंड मास से बना हुआ है. एक है कॉन्टिनेंटल क्रस्ट, सेकेंड हमने पढ़ा है ओशियनिक क्रस्ट. तो दिस इज एब्सोल्युटली मेड अप ऑफ ह्यूज लैंड masses of the earth, that is known lithosphere. Plate tectonics may explain why we have continents. Scientists believe that all the continents were once joined together as one major landmass or giant supercontinent called Pangaea. It is believed by the scientists that it was a Pangaea before. Pangaea means it was already a huge landmass in a single manner. Means there was no continent. This Pangaea means the supercontinent. इसको हम सुपर कॉन्टिनेंट के नाम से जानते हैं. Means what the continents nowadays divided into 7 numbers. It was not earlier. This was Pangaea means supercontinent it was. When the lithosphere broke apart, Pangaea also split into different continents. जब लिथोस्फीयर तमाम भागों में ब्रोक हो गए, टूट गए, पैंजिया भी टूट गया और डिफरेंट कॉन्टिनेंट्स बन गए. सुपर कॉन्टिनेंट खत्म हो गया. देयर इज एविडेंस टू सपोर्ट दिस थियरी. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, द ईस्टर्न कोस्ट ऑफ साउथ अमेरिका एंड द वेस्टर्न कोस्ट ऑफ अफ्रीका look like they would fit together. How can we calculate it? This is a very relevant example of the broken Pangaea. When we observe these areas, means the part of eastern coast of South Africa and western coast of Africa, they look like the same. And even though they are separated by an ocean, similar animals and plants are found in both the regions. Fossils of the same reptiles have been found in both South America and Africa. There are 7 continents in all. Most of these lie in the northern hemisphere. These things we observe and we believe. Why? Because the western coast of Africa and eastern coast of South America, all flora, faunas, animals, fossil fuels are found in the same manner in this region. It shows that definitely it was the same earlier, which indicates that the Pangaea was existing those days. With the passage of time it broken into different numbers and later on became 7 continents. Till then, thank you. We shall discuss in the next video. Much more things we shall see there. Till then, goodbye.